Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on PC with a controller. First, you need to ensure your computer meets the emulator's minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 8 GB of RAM and a quad-core processor. Having a stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth setup and uninterrupted gameplay. We will cover each step in detail to get you ready to play. The most recommended emulator for PUBG Mobile is GameLoop, also known as Tencent Gaming Buddy. Visit the official GameLoop website and download the installer. It's typically around 10 megabytes. Once downloaded, run the executable file, agree to the terms, and choose your installation directory, often the default program files folder. The installation usually takes about 5 minutes, depending on your system's speed. After installing GameLoop, open it and navigate to its game center. Search for PUBG Mobile and click Install to begin the download, which might be up to 2 GB, depending on recent updates. While the game downloads, connect your controller. For example, an Xbox One controller can connect via Bluetooth by holding the sync button or by plugging in a USB-C cable. Ensure your PC recognizes the controller before proceeding. With the game installed and your controller connected, launch PUBG Mobile through the emulator. Look for the key mapping or keyboard mapping icon on the emulator sidebar, usually represented by a keyboard symbol. This feature allows you to map on-screen touch controls to your physical controller buttons. Take your time to assign actions like movement to the left stick, aiming to the right stick, and firing to a trigger for optimal play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.